Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Agoda app crashing step by step. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Agoda, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few while and reopen it. Many crashes happen due to temporary glitches in the app. Next, restart your phone to clear system memory and remove any background processes that may be causing the issue. Then, make sure the app is updated. Head over to your App Store or Play Store and make sure the Agoda app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store, as updates often fix bugs and improve stability. Now, if you're using Android, go to the settings, apps, select Agoda, tap on storage and clear cache to remove temporary files. Also, head over to your settings app and then go to general, then iPhone storage, and make sure that your phone has enough storage space, as low storage can cause the app to crash. Now that's how you fix the Agoda app crashing.